Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Once again, this is a fragrance from the house of Gentleman's Nod, and I recently did a fragrance review from them called Juniper Reverie, and this one is called Kensei. Here's a picture inside the card there, and so yeah, it's a Japanese themed fragrance. According to my research, Kensei means sword saint, an honorary title of swordsmanship in Japan. So that's a pretty cool theme. Notes: blood orange, yuzu, yellow mandarin, and nashi pear on the top. Middle notes of lapsang, souchong tea, neroli, black pepper, and violet. And in the base, balsam fir, amberwood, cypriol oil, cedar, vetiver, and saffron. So yeah, a lot of notes mentioned here, but I'm going to say, for the most part, I think you could break it down to two basic notes, and that would be the orange and the lapsang souchong tea. So this isn't your typical minty green tea. This lapsang souchong tea is a smoky black tea, which might lend itself more towards like cool weather, I think. But with all that citrus added in, it actually gives it a nice spring summer fragrance. So if you're a fan of tea, tired of like orange scents that just smell like oranges, or maybe orange and woods, or whatever, orange and spice, this one, a slightly different twist. And Gentleman's Nod seems to be doing a good job of coming out with fragrances that are a little bit different, but at the same time very pleasant while being unique. So yeah, this is another one for fans of black tea to check out. Looking for a summer fragrance with oranges, black tea, and some other notes in there, but that's basically what I'm picking up on, is the oranges and the black tea. So I think it's a nice fragrance. Typically I'm not a big tea person, so maybe I would probably rather wear maybe Juniper's Reverie than this one, but this one's alright. I think if you do like black tea and you're looking for something suitable for hot weather, this one would be a good one to check out. So let's get into my final scores for Kensei. The smell, I'll say 7 out of 10. I thought it was a nice, pleasant smell. The way the orange blends with that black tea gives it sort of a slightly mysterious, maybe even slightly meditative quality. I think a lot of people will enjoy this one. Fans of black teas, especially for summer. Projection longevity, kind of mild to moderate, 6.5 out of 10. Maybe give it like 3 to 5 hours. Versatility, I'll say 7 out of 10. Even though it's a black tea fragrance, I think the citrus does seem to push it more into that spring, summer, early fall category. Maybe not so much for wintertime. Uniqueness, I'll say 7.5 out of 10. A pretty unique fragrance because of that tea note. You don't usually get that in a lot of your designer fragrances. Price point, $95 for 50 ml with an overall score for me, 7 out of 10. Check it out. Gentleman's Nod. Maybe get yourself a sample. The sample is over at Gentleman's Nod. Typically around about $5. Or if you want to just go ahead and get the full-size bottle, you know, maybe around $80, $90. So yeah, check it out. Kensei from the house of Gentleman's Nod. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.